Hey, welcome back to my YouTube page, One Sick Build. I also have an Instagram at One Sick Build as well if you want to follow me there as well. But my grill that I modded, which I really like, is cracked right here. And it's the whole centerpiece, so I can't just replace this part. It's the centerpiece, so the OEM is not that great, cheap plastic. So I'm going to put this other cheap plastic on, this American modified grill I've been holding on to. Glad I didn't sell it. I had a bunch of them and sold them. So I kept one just in case, and I'm going to throw it on and see how it looks, see how I can get it modded on here without it looking loose in the front. I really don't want to cut my center piece right here. You see back there? So if I can try to take this off and mod it the best way I can. Let's see what I can come up with. But yeah, keep an eye out, check it out, stay tuned. Okay, so I had to bring the car in because it started raining pretty hard on me. But I'm doing this without taking the whole bumper off. Seems like it's doable. I always like trying to do things that are not typically by the book if I don't have to. Everybody likes to follow the book and do extra stuff, but if I can get to it, I will. So far I got the grill off without having to take the bumper. It's easy accessible. Once you get down in here, there's a couple screws just behind this little plate that you gotta get. And I'll show you what I used. Right there, little angle bit. I use it for my heating and air jobs. But it does the job. So let's see what happens. Alright, got it on. Looking good. I like how it came out. I reused my Honda symbol off the original grill. Had two metal tabs, kind of custom fabric to stay on the grill. You can get some cheap metal, design something. It's pretty easy. I left my centerpiece in there, as you can tell. All I did was put some black tape around it. You can't really see it. Well, it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you think.